Have you ever wondered how much a rhino weighs? Let's delve into the world of these colossal creatures, where size and weight are nothing short of awe-inspiring. Picture a beast tipping the scales at a staggering 3,000 kilograms. That's the weight of an average adult white rhino, the second largest land mammal on Earth. Their immense size is not merely for show, it plays a pivotal role in their survival strategies. For one, it makes them less appetizing to most predators. Imagine the sheer strength required to bring down such a behemoth. Their bulk also enables them to bulldoze their way through vegetation, creating paths that other animals can follow. It's a living, breathing, path-making machine. Their size, however, isn't without its drawbacks. Their massive bulk means they need to consume large quantities of food and water daily. Indeed, these massive creatures have a weight that commands respect. But what's the real deal with their horns? Well, let's dive in. Rhino horns are not, contrary to popular belief, made of bone. In fact, they are composed of keratin, the same protein that makes up our hair and nails. These impressive structures serve a myriad of purposes for the rhinos. They're used in battles for territory, to protect their young from predators, and even to dig for water and food. Now, onto the misconceptions. There's a widespread myth that rhino horns possess medicinal properties, a belief particularly prevalent in certain traditional medicine practices. This has led to rampant poaching, with rhinos being hunted and killed for their horns. But the truth is, scientifically, rhino horns have no proven medicinal benefits. In fact, consuming a rhino's horn for health benefits is akin to chewing on your own fingernails. Quite a thought, isn't it? In reality, a rhino's horn has as much medicinal value as your fingernails. Did you know that a rhino can live up to 50 years? Yes, these magnificent creatures, both in the wild and in captivity, have an average lifespan ranging between 40 to 50 years. Some have even been known to live past the half-century mark, a testament to their resilience and strength. The life of a rhino is not just about survival, but also about reproduction and continuation of the species. When it comes to mating, rhinos have a unique ritual. The male rhino, or bull, will court the female or cow by following her around, often for days. He'll make soft calls and even nudge her gently, all in an effort to win her over. The reproductive cycle of a rhino is equally interesting. After a gestation period of around 16 months, a single calf is born. The calf then stays with its mother for about 3 years, learning the ways of the wild. The life of a rhino is indeed filled with fascinating elements. Ever wondered what's on the menu for these behemoths? Well, you might be surprised to learn that despite their imposing size, rhinos are strictly herbivores. Yes, you heard that right. These colossal creatures are not meat eaters. Their diet mainly consists of grasses, leaves, shoots, branches, and fruits. They have a preference for a variety of vegetation, with the type often depending on their specific species and habitat. The African species, for instance, are primarily grazers, feasting on the savanna's grasses, while their Asian counterparts are more likely to be browsers, munching on leaves and branches. Rhinos also have a unique way of feeding. They use their sharp prehensile lips to grasp and pull vegetation into their mouths. And let's not forget their impressive digestive system, capable of processing large amounts of plant material each day. So, next time you picture a rhino, remember, they might be giants, but they're gentle giants. Rhinos may be massive, but their diets are strictly plant-based. How can we ensure the survival of these majestic creatures? This question is critical as rhinos face grave threats, primarily from poaching and habitat loss. Poachers, driven by the lucrative illegal wildlife trade, ruthlessly hunt these animals for their horns. Habitat loss, another significant threat, is due to human encroachment and deforestation. But there's hope. Many organizations and individuals worldwide are working tirelessly to protect rhinos. They patrol wildlife reserves, treat injured rhinos, and work with local communities to raise awareness about the importance of these creatures to the ecosystem. They also push for stricter laws and enforcement to combat poaching, and you can help too. By supporting these organizations, whether through donations or volunteer work, we can make a difference. Even raising awareness in your community and advocating for rhino conservation can have a significant impact. The survival of rhinos is in our hands, and every little effort counts. Together we can ensure these majestic creatures continue to roam our planet for generations to come.